it's Wednesday. Oh, here's Donkey. It is Wednesday, and it is time for a little PT. All right, so I'm going to do a neck stretch today. Dog's going to do a stretch. And you're going to need a hand towel. I just pulled this one from our bathroom. You can use a longer towel. You can use like a belt, a bathrobe tie. I would say not a TheraBand. TheraBand, I'm mentioning you every time. Come on. Don't use a stretchy thing because you want it to actually sort of be a solid structure that's going to sort of help hold things down. So a lot of times everybody sort of hikes up their shoulders, right? Tension happens in here, and the side to side movement, a lot of times people have difficulty with side to side or the movement of rotation. So we're going to work on a side bending move. Now, a lot of times people do just like a side neck stretch, you know, where you sort of do this guy, which is great. And this is similar to that, but we're going to add a piece into this because sometimes what happens is your rib cage on either side can also, because of muscle tightness, be elevated, right? Which means it's just sort of everything is jammed up in there. But sometimes people will do a neck stretch and they sort of do this. So they're not really stretching their neck. They're sort of doing a body lean. So we don't want to do that. So we're going to take the towel, and I basically am taking the two opposite corners just to make it a little bit longer. I'm going to throw it over my shoulder. So my the side that I'm stretching, that front hand is going to hold in the front. The other hand is going to grab the towel in the back, and you might want to pull backwards a little bit here because sometimes if you have shoulder problems, getting your hand behind your back this way is a little bit of a challenge, right? So your hand is going to be behind your back. Your other hand is in front, and really all that you are doing is pulling down, right? So you're keeping that shoulder down, preferably down and back, right? So there's some tension on my arms, and then I'm just side bending my head, right? So it's ear toward shoulder. I would like for you to do this in the mirror first few times you do it, because a lot of times in the clinic when I see patients, what they do is this to stretch their neck. Now, you will get some stretch out of that, but we're not stretching that muscle on the side of the neck that we really want to get with this stretch. So when you're in the bathroom, grab your hand towel, pull it over your shoulder, and you kind of want the bulk of the, like where you're trying to get the pull from is almost right where your shoulder meets your neck. So kind of where that crease is, that's where you want the pressure of the towel to be. So not too far out towards the edge of your shoulder. You really kind of want it close into your neck. Pulling down, side bend, right? Because it's not this. It's not this. Face stays forward, ear goes towards your shoulder. It's a great stretch. Hold for about 15 seconds. Again, you want a medium intensity stretch. I don't want you to feel like you got to bite a bullet or anything like that to get through it. It should be medium to strong. So it feels like a good stretch, but doesn't feel like it's causing pain. So give it a try. Same thing on either side. And hopefully that'll loosen up some of the necks that are tight and problematic out there. So have a great Wednesday. See y'all next week. Bye.